Hey friends, quick countdown of SEO trends in 2026 you need to know, especially if you're a digital marketing student. 1. AI overviews. Optimization. Google's AI answers are stealing clicks. I focus on concise, scannable sections that directly answer a query. Stats definitions step-by-steps the AI can quote. FAQs, comparisons, clear takeaways. Think, answer first, then detail. 1. Entity SEO and schema. Keywords are table stakes. Entities win. I build a strong entity homepage. Schema. Organization, person, FAQ, how to product. Maintain consistent mentions across profiles. Help search engines understand who you are and what you're authoritative about. 1. EEAT. Show your work. First-hand experience beats generic content. Author bios, credentials, dates, real examples. Photos, original data, citations. Every page should answer. Why trust me? 1. Short-form video gets indexed. Reels, shorts, clips now surface in search. I repurpose articles into 30/60s clips. Upload captions, keywords in titles and descriptions, transcripts. Bonus. Chapters for longer videos. 1. Multimodal and voice search. People search with photos, screenshots, and voice. I optimize alt text file names surrounding copy. Include pronunciation for brand terms. Write natural spoken answer paragraphs. 1. Zero-click reality and brand search. More answers live on Google. Measure beyond blue links. Branded search volume, newsletter signups, time on site. Create content that makes users search your name. 1. Human-in-the-loop automation. AI drafts, humans refine. Use AI for outlines, briefs, internal linking. Edit for accuracy and voice. Ship fast, keep standards high. Quick playbook. Pick a niche, map topics to entities, right. Answer. First, add schema, repurpose into shorts track. Branded queries, update monthly. If you start today, future you lands the internship, the clients, and the compounding traffic. Hit save, pick one trend, and implement it this week. You've got this.